Hello. All right, today I'm going to show you something cool. I'm going to show you how to use QuickTime on your machine to do a bunch of different things. And this is not just helpful for music class, this is for anything. Anytime you're using a Mac, this is a great tool that I think everyone should know. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a program called QuickTime Player. So, here's what it looks like down here, QuickTime Player. If you don't have it down there on your dock, which you probably don't, then I would go to the Rocket Ship Launchpad, and it'll show you all your apps. You can search at the top, pop in a queue, and there it is, QuickTime. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, the thing that's going to happen is it's going to say QuickTime Player up here, and these are the important things. So, new movie recording will turn on your webcam and it'll make a video just like I'm doing right now. An audio recording turns off the webcam but uses the microphone still. So all you do is you hear audio. So maybe you want to play your guitar and record yourself. New screen recording is what we're going to use today. And this is neat because it'll record your screen like I'm doing. So if you were making a tutorial, or maybe you were using some program and you wanted to record yourself, or maybe, you could even like play a video online and, record it this way if you needed a workaround. Like let's pretend maybe in YouTube or something, right? Not that anybody would ever download a YouTube video. Anyway, new screen recording, I click on, and it brings up this little box here. Now, this little V next to the record button, if you click on that, it's going to say microphone. Now, this is something important. You got to make sure you have MacBook Air microphone picked. Otherwise, you're not going to hear anything. And down here, show mouse clicks. If you have this turned on, then when you click on the screen, it'll kind of it'll do like a little of a kind of burst. So you'll see, it makes it easier for the audience to see where you're clicking. So we want to make sure we have MacBook Air microphone turned on. Now I'm going to hit record. So it says, click to record the full screen, drag to record part of the screen, end recording by clicking the stop bar in the menu bar. So what they're saying is, if I were to click the screen, it would start recording the entire screen. If I click my mouse and I drag and I make a box, that will be the only thing that gets recorded. So let's say that you're recording a video that's playing. You could drag your box just over the video and you wouldn't capture the rest of the stuff on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click to start recording. And now we are recording. And to end it, up here at the top, there is a stop button. So when I'm done recording, I will click and that will go away. Now, to show me that you can handle this and record your screen, I want you to do what I just did, go to QuickTime Player, do new screen recording, and then you're going to go to this website that I'm going to give you in the classroom, and it's called the Kandinsky part of Music Lab. So what we're going to do is I just want you to write your name, and every symbol you make will have a sound. Check it out. So you're going to put your first name, then you're going to play it. You can change the sounds. All right, so I want you to mess around a little bit with that. Record your name. Record anything else fun that's school appropriate, of course. And when you're done, you go up to the stop bar or the stop circle, and you're going to click on stop. And then it will make it'll ask you to save it, or it'll show you your video. And then if you say File, Save, you can save it. And I like saving stuff to the desktop because it's easy to find later. So I'm going to choose, actually, I'm just going to do Command D, and it's going to make it say desktop. So over here on the left, I could have picked desktop, right? Or Command D, desktop, and I'm going to call it Ferris screen recording. And then I save it. And then you're going to see it turn up here on the desktop. Ferris screen recording. And there's the file. And then you can go ahead and turn that into the turn in Google form under classwork. And that is it for today. Now you know something cool. And I bet you can think of 10 ways you could use QuickTime Player to make, your life more awesome. All right, folks, have a great day. I will talk to you later.